Is the law of attraction some sort of witchcraft? Is witchcraft evil? Let's scratch that curiosity itch and address these questions together. Hey beautiful soul, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Alice, aka Breathing Magic. Welcome to the channel of self-development, spirituality, and magical endeavors. In this video, I will cover what the law of attraction is about and demystify witchcraft. I will talk about the similarities and differences between these two and dive into some law of attraction and witchcraft related activities. And make sure you watch till the end because I will be sharing a simple exercise you can do to add a little bit of magic to your goal achieving process. Alright, without further ado, let's dive into today's topic. First things first, let's define the law of attraction and witchcraft. And I want to put a quick disclaimer here. I'm not claiming to be the #1 expert in this field. I'm just here sharing what I've learned and experienced so far. So feel free to take what you resonate with. And if you have insights you want to share, type them in the comments below. And remember to be polite to each other, respect other people's opinions, and don't be rude. The law of attraction is the principle of like attracts like. It's one of the laws the universe operates under. Just like gravity, when you drop something, it falls. Like attracts like means you attract what you are, not what you want. You attract what you're in harmonious vibration with, and you're constantly creating your reality with your mental, emotional, physical, and energetic state. When we're talking about using the law of attraction to manifest something, what we're talking about is changing your inner belief system and your habitual way of thinking, feeling, and behaving so your energetic vibration can match the vibration of your goal and the reality you desire. If you want to know more about how this works, I posted a video a couple weeks ago explaining the mechanism behind the law of attraction. I'll put the link to that video in the description box below. What is witchcraft? According to the definition given in the book The Modern Guide to Witchcraft by Sky Alexander, witchcraft is the manipulation of energy through various means to produce desired results. Here's how I see it. Witchcraft is the practice or application of magic, and magic is the power of using intention and energy to bend chance and create desired results. When I compared manifestation and witchcraft, I noticed that manifestation was more about becoming a better version of yourself so you can have what you want. It focuses on the vibrational state of energies of the universe, whereas witchcraft is more about using intention and energies with certain qualities to achieve the goals you desire, and it works with aspects of the universe. There are many similarities between manifestation and witchcraft. Number 1, they are both about achieving goals or desired results, and both require clear intentions and focus. Number 2, they're both neutral. Neither is good or bad. They just are. The law of attraction is a principle, and it's always at work whether you notice it or not. And witchcraft is a craft or skill. Skills can be used for good and bad. It depends on the individual using that skill. Number 3, they both have to do with energy. Manifestation is more about the vibrational state of your energy, and witchcraft focuses on things that symbolize your goal or carry energies that support your goal. Number 4, both require you to take action. Action! Action! With a capital A! If you don't do anything about your dream, it'll never become your reality. You have to move towards what you want in life and meet the universe halfway. Number 5, certain types of activities can help you build a strong foundation for manifestation and witchcraft. One of the most popular ones is meditation. Most meditations can relax your body, calm your mind, help you gain more clarity, and strengthen your ability to focus on your goal. And understanding your own energy is essential for any type of energy work. Developing a basic understanding of your energy centers or chakras can help you channel your energy more effectively. And doing activities that help balance your chakras can improve your overall well-being. Another type of activity that helps you build a strong foundation is imagination and visualization. You do things and create things with energy, and imagination and visualization help you access and express the creative energy you naturally have. They also help expand your potential. Now that we've covered the similarities between the law of attraction and witchcraft, let's talk about the differences between these two. I will be using some law of attraction and witchcraft related activities to help you gain a better understanding. But before I do that, if you've been getting value out of this video so far, give me a like, subscribe, and hit that bell button. It really helps this channel. Alright, let's continue. Let's talk about some law of attraction related activities first. A lot of people who are trying to manifest their goals often create vision boards. Your subconscious mind tends to think in images, and having visual representations of your goals helps impress your goals upon your subconscious, and it gradually affects the way you think, feel, and behave. Saying affirmations is another way to boost your manifestation power. Affirmations can encourage positive thoughts, motivate you, and influence your attitude towards life. Another popular law of attraction activity is scripting. Scripting is writing down exactly what you want in the present tense as if all your dreams have already become your reality. This activity helps you imagine, visualize, and experience what it's like to live in the reality you desire. And manifestation isn't just about looking at your goals and moving towards your goals. Getting clear on where you are in life and acknowledging your current status is also very important. Journaling is an activity that can help you be more present, reflect on life, gain new insights, and notice the blessings you have already manifested. And when you acknowledge those blessings, you build momentum. Remember I mentioned earlier the importance of taking action? When it comes to law of attraction related actions, there are two key points you need to remember. The first one is inspired actions. The second one is act as if. Inspired actions are about trusting your intuition and the subtle guidance from your higher self, your angels, your spirit guides, God, the divine, the universe, whatever you believe in. It's about listening to your heart and having faith. Acting as if is about being inspired by your goal and changing the way you operate. You're living from your goal and acting as if you have already become that better version of yourself. So those are some law of attraction related activities, and I want to address a common misconception people have about the law of attraction and manifestation. Some say that manifestation is mostly about achieving materialistic goals. Here's the thing, it really depends on the individual that's trying to manifest their goals. At the end of the day, I believe happiness is what everybody is truly after. It's just that each person is at a different stage in their journey, and sometimes it takes a while for a person to realize what they truly want in life. So my suggestion is get out of your head and into your heart. Manifest from your heart. On to the fun part, witchcraft related activities. The number one thing magical practitioners do is study. A lot of studying is required. This is because witchcraft is an earth-based practice, and a lot of it is about being in tune with nature and working with the energy of Mother Earth and nature. And in order for you to do that effectively, you have to learn about history, cultures, and traditions so you can gain a deeper understanding of humanity's place in nature and humanity's relationship with nature. And depending on the path you choose, you might also want to learn about topics related to the phases of the moon, crystals, astrology, the elements, the medicinal and magical properties of herbs, color correspondences, fairies, spirits, and deities. And by the way, not everybody believes in deities. Some see them as personifications of aspects of nature, and personification helps us understand and relate to the world around us. When you study, you have to take notes. That's why a lot of witches have grimoires. A grimoire is usually a notebook that contains information on crystals, the moon phases, the elements, herbs, astrology, the meanings of symbols, and other things you learn on your magical journey. And since witchcraft is the practice of magic, it's important for you to apply what you learned and document it so you can measure your growth. That's why a lot of witches create what's called a book of shadows. Think of it as a scientist's experiment log. It's where you document the spells and rituals you performed so you can reflect on it. What worked, what didn't work, and what would you like to do differently in the future? Speaking of spells, my personal definition of spells is words written with a strong intent and spoken with focused energy. An affirmation can become a spell if you write it with a strong intent and say it with focused energy. The use of correspondences is also very common in witchcraft. Using correspondences is about using things that carry energies that correspond to what you're trying to bring into your life. For example, carrying a citrine crystal can balance your solar plexus chakra and help you feel more lively and confident. A lot of spells and rituals involve sympathetic magic, and this topic deserves its own video or videos. Here I'm just going to give you a very simplified description. It's the idea that when you do something symbolically, it can have an effect on you and the world around you. For example, if you cut your hair after a breakup, it can help you let go of the past. Another example would be if your friend is sick, you can look at a picture of that friend and pray and send healing energy to that friend. All in all, I believe anything done with intention is magical, and there is magic in the mundane. Now that we have a better understanding of the similarities and differences between the law of attraction and witchcraft, here's a simple exercise you can do today to add some magic into your goal achieving process. Step 1. Decide on a goal and write it down. Step 2. Think of an affirmation based on your goal. Remember to read it out loud and feel the vibe. Make sure it's something that sparks joy. Step 3. Write your affirmation on a small card, carry it with you, and read it multiple times per day. Final step. Think of a color or pattern that reminds you of your goal and incorporate this color or pattern into your outfit. For example, one of my goals is to adopt a black cat, and the affirmation I wrote was, "Itsy bitsy furry baby cutesy kitty, come to me." And the color that reminds me of black cats is, of course, black. So I can wear a black t-shirt to remind myself of my goal. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments below what kind of topics do you want me to cover in the future. And I will see you in my next video. Until then, live from your heart and be the magic you wish to see in this world. Thanks for watching. Bye!